You can, of course, always look at a picture of a bone in a textbook, but a single 2D picture is too limited a reference of such a complex form to really understand what you're looking at. As we pick up a 3D object, we rotate it, we look at it from different orientations, and it's through integrating that whole variety of perspectives that we understand what it is we have here and how it's oriented within the body of the animal. We're working on the release of a website serving 3D models of these forms in a format that allows a person to do very much what we would do if we had the specimen in our own hands.
One of the overarching objectives is to try to make our collections more accessible. And making 3D models is a compelling way of making the collections available to researchers and the public.
We get those surface models either from the contact digitizer or the laser scanner, and then we map photographs of those objects onto the 3D models so that they appear photorealistic. This is a replica of the bushing mastodon, which is mounted here at the museum.
If one of our colleagues were excavating the site, they might be finding individual bones or parts of bones and have some trouble identifying bones. But on this site, they would be able to look at a skeleton, see the structure, examine it closely, and figure out what they had.
You can mouse over a single bone and the name of the bone pops up. There's also a measurement system, so you take very precise measurements. We can look at it from angles that wouldn't be possible with a real specimen.
When you look at the models on the web, you can see details on this model that you would have difficulty seeing if you were just holding a specimen this big in your hand.
The efforts have been ongoing for about 20 years. Any of the major browsers can go to this web page and you can manipulate these objects in 3D.
All the curators, all of the staff here at the University of Michigan have contributed to this project. Being able to zoom in and explore all of this anatomy is an opportunity that could easily arouse interest in young scientists to be.